Good afternoon, winners. Welcome to Terry's Tips. Guys, today I want to tell you how you can get a business card for up to $20,000, guys, as a soft inquiry with no hard pull. Get a notebook, get a pen, guys. And you notice I said good afternoon. That's because I am working on something super special for you guys. If you are watching this video on the day that I made, December 14th, that means tomorrow. When, Terry? Tomorrow I'm having a free credit webinar. Free, guys. December 15th, 7 p.m. Eastern. Go to the link in my description to register ASAP because there's a limited seating. So this is why this video is a little bit late. Thank y'all for hanging in there with me because I've been working on that webinar with my team. Super excited, okay, guys? And if you are new, welcome, y'all. My name is Terry. I'm a self-employed entrepreneur, mother, YouTuber, but more importantly, personal and business credit guru. Guys, this channel is about helping you get the big money, 6 and 7 figures, and how to actually leverage your personal and business credit to build wealth. So I would love for you to subscribe, join the webinar, kind of build with me. I would love to be part of your story, okay? And guys, I'll do my nugget at the end. So guys, Torpago. Write that down, Torpago. So today I'm going to outline what Torpago is, what their benefits are, what you need to qualify, okay, guys? And I have not done a video on this company before, ever, and I'm going to tell you why. There are a lot, guys, I'm about to drop some gems. Get ready, okay? There are a lot of fintech companies that are coming into the business credit world, guys, okay? And sometimes when they are newer companies or I haven't used them at all yet or I don't have a strong relationship with them, I will not bring them in front of you guys. I'm just being honest. Some channels bring everybody in front of you, and that is great for them. But for me, I only bring in front of you trusted lenders, FDIC insured members, lenders that have a track record, lenders that I have used or my customers have used because I can co-sign them. So guys, if you are on my channel and I talk about a lender, that means they are a valid, legitimate lender. They're not going to be up today and close down tomorrow. They're not going to have a crazy process. Everything is going to be secure. Okay, guys, so Torpago is a fintech company. Now, if you are new to business credit, you might be like, what is a fintech company, Terry? I got you, okay? A fintech company is like an alternative lender, okay? So they're not like a bank. They're not like a credit union. They're like a private lender, alternative lender specifically for business credit, guys. And real quick nugget right here. This card can help you with business or personal. I'm going to tell you how, okay? Stay tuned. So this is where they're a fintech company, meaning an alternative lender for business credit. And guys, if you are a new entrepreneur, new investor, new business owner, or if you've been established but you are new to business credit and leveraging and looking good on paper, fintech companies are hands down one of the number one ways you get a lot of money fast. These banks these fintechs will say yes when regular lenders say no. So they will help you build their business. And guys, Torpago, one of their missions is to help you grow your business, which is why I'm outlining them. Okay, guys, so a fintech company. Now, the reason why it can help you with your personal and or business is because the number one thing that people tell me is that their personal credit is suffering due to high utilization. Your credit cards are maxed out. Your loans are maxed out. Everything you're looking like you are drowning on paper, guys. Torpago, this credit card, right? This business card does not report to personal credit. Boom. Okay, guys, you know that there are some companies that are business cards like Discover, like Capital One. Even though they are business cards, they still report on personal. That means if you max them out, they will hurt your credit score. Whereas with Torpago, you can get 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. I was conservative in my title because there are people that have gotten 30,000 and 40,000. But say you get $20,000 on a business card, guys, and you need to pay off personal utilization. You need to put a down payment for a property. You need to pay a contractor. You need to hire. You need software. You need marketing, whatever it is. Guys, you can use this Torpago credit card and it will not be on your personal. So it will not impact your personal credit scores if you need to use all of the money. I got you guys covered, guys, okay? So fintech company business card. Another reason why I'm outlining them is because the requirements to qualify are not super high. So let me kind of outline some of the benefits. So number one, they're a fintech company. Number 2 is a soft inquiry. It never has a hard inquiry on your personal credit. It does not report to personal. Now, also doesn't right now, it doesn't report to business. So that is, what that means is that if you get this card, it's a way to get money for you to leverage. But right now, it is not going to build your business credit. It's okay, guys, though, because they are actually working to actually start to report to the business credit bureaus. So you get in position now. When, Terry? Right now. Get the card now. That way, when they start reporting to the business bureaus, you already have a trade line. Come on, somebody. A business trade line that is $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 something dollars. Okay, guys? So they don't report to business or personal. Now, another thing I like about them, guys, is you can request credit limit increases whenever you want. So some companies you can't request at all. They just do automatic reviews. Some companies you have to wait every 90 days or every 6 months or every year. Guys, with Torpago, whenever there has been a change in your situation, or just honestly whenever you want to, you can request credit limit increases. Now, doesn't mean they're always going to actually do it, but you can request it whenever you want. That's a game changer. Another thing, another misconception, so let me dispel a myth. There's some inaccurate, come on, somebody, videos out there about Torpago saying it is a net 30 or is a vendor account. False, guys. Torpago is a business charge card, but they also have the option to be revolving. Game changer. Okay, guys, if you're not familiar, there's charge cards, there's credit cards. Charge cards are like American Express, are like Divvy, are like Brex, where you have an amount, say you have a $50,000 credit card, and say you charge $45,000. Guys, that $45,000 is due usually in 30 days, right? It's due every single month, which depending on what you're doing is not a problem for you guys. You guys are cash flowing and it's okay. But when you charge the money and it's a charge card, then the full amount is due when the statement comes. With a revolving trade line, right? A credit card. That means same $50,000 credit card and you charge $45,000. When your statement comes, the whole $45,000 will not be due. It will only be a percentage of it, a small percentage, which is a lot of times easier for my business owners, my entrepreneurs, my people trying to build their business. So this is another game changer. They have the option where you pay in full every single month. And they also have the option for it to be a revolving trade line if you get approved for that. Okay, guys? Another benefit, guys, is that they have 1% cashback rewards. Super awesome. They also integrate with QuickBooks, guys. They have an expense management software. Write that down, because many of my business owners, my investors, my new entrepreneurs, one of our downfalls, right? I'm saying our, because it was mine before too, and I do this, okay? But I have an accountant that handles everything for me now, right? But one of our downfalls is we don't document things very well. So with their expense management platform that comes with the actual card, guys, it will help you with keeping track of receipts, expenditures, where you're spending your money. It will help you with, at the end of the year, doing your taxes. So it's a nice kind of added benefit for you guys to keep everything in one place, so you're learning how to look good on paper to leverage credit. Come on, somebody, okay? They also, guys, have other partnerships. For example, like they have I think it's like 25% off or something with like DoorDash, and also with Plastique. Guys, write that down, Plastique. So if you're not familiar with what Plastique is another company that kind of pays accounts for you guys. So how can that benefit you? Guys, if you use a company like Plastique to pay off your business bills, a lot of times, like how they make their money, right? I think it's like about 3% that they charge you guys that use this service. A lot of companies use it because you're overwhelmed, you're busy, you put all your bills onto one company, they pay everything for you. But the way Plastique gets paid is by charging you a fee. Super, like, you know, that's what the card merchant accounts do. That's what the credit card companies do. This is how these businesses make their money. It's super common business model. The way that kind of this Torpago card and Plastique kind of partners is that if you use your business charge card, right, and you also use Plastique, now you're only paying like 1%. And what happens is your charge card will pay all of your business expenses for you, right? And then the money just goes on the actual card. It's not coming out of your business bank account. Game changer. And think about it. If you're following me, if you're doing business credit, you're having what? Expenses for like your website, for your phone, for your virtual office, for your, maybe for accounting, for whatever it is. You're having all these other fees, right? Guys, so you don't ever go late or delinquent on anything. put all of your kind of business bills on this card, let the card kind of pay everything through Plastique. Now, all of your business expenses are going on the card is paying Plastique, it's becoming a well-oiled machine, guys, right? And then you're just paying your card when the payment is due. So super added benefit, and by them only charging, giving you a discount, now you're paying less money to use the Plastique platform. Super awesome, but super way to be strategic, guys, and use your credit to actually build those relationships so you can get more money and never be late on your business credit. Game changer, okay, guys? Now, what do you need to qualify? You must be incorporated, not a sole proprietor, not a DBA. You need to be incorporated. If you are not incorporated, do not be scared of this. I will link my video on how to set up your business correctly on paper in 10 days, guys. There's companies that will do it for like $100, $200. Don't stress out over that step. Incorporate your business. You must have an EIN. You must, non-negotiable, you must have a business bank account. If you don't have one, get one. If you don't have an EIN, get one. If you're not incorporated, do it. That's it. That's it, right? And then the next thing is that they're going to actually integrate. So how do they approve you? One of the reasons why I'm outlining them is because they have a proprietary underwriting system. What does that mean, Terry? What that means is that they look at you and evaluate you in a different way than traditional banks. This is why so many more people actually get approved. So they're not, even though they may check a soft pull for personal and business, if you have bad personal credit, if you have bad business credit or no business credit, that's not going to be an automatic denial. What they're really looking at is the balances and the activity in your business bank accounts. So they will look at your information via Plaid. Super common platform. Guys, never think that like Plaid is going to like giving these companies access. It's read-only access. Read-only access to your business bank accounts. And if you're showing good activity, no kind of like late stuff, no kind of insufficient funds, good balances, they will give you the credit card based on the limits, based on your banking activity. And guys, what did I say? As you grow, you can ask for credit limit increases. So your goal is to just get approved, is to just get this kind of card, to use it, get familiar, build some business relationships, and then grow it. Got it, guys? And so I think that was all I want to say. No, and they're not, like I said, they're not a net 30, and you can do the revolving line or the charge card option. Now, another thing I want to say to you guys, right, because my channel is heavily about strategies. If for any reason you get denied, guys, call them. Say, hey, I was denied. I want to know what is the reason why. Can I be reconsidered? How can I fix this? Guys, stop just taking any kind of denial, because a lot of times it's just a conversation. Before, I didn't outline them because they had a heavy, long waiting list. Now they have angel investors. Now they are also backed by Sutton Bank, and they are a member of the FDIC. And now their process has been more streamlined. So even if you're put on a waiting list, it's for a short time because they are expanding and growing. Now is the time to partner with them. Got it, y'all? So recap. Business card, super high limits, guys, dynamic limits, okay, expense management system, no hard inquiry ever, not reporting to personal ever, revolving and charge card option, guys, and they have a bunch of different benefits as far as cashback, expense management, DoorDash, Plastique, super easy approval process. One application, couple of minutes, you're done. Got it, y'all? And guys, for my nugget, one reason why so many people are not being successful or getting to that next level is because you're not running it like a business. Guys, many of you guys have gifts. You have things that you love to do, but you're running it like a hobby. Guys, you have to invest the time to learn about the accounting, the marketing, the scaling, the customer acquisition, the packaging, the pricing. I promise you, if God gave you a gift, He meant for you to be abundant. He meant for you to have prosperity. He meant for you to be able to use that gift and be self-sufficient and bless other people. So if you have this gift, right, and you're still paycheck to paycheck and struggling, it's because you're treating your gift like a hobby. Guys, one thing I do with my Elite 10 coaching and one thing I just do with my channel is I help you guys level up because I want you to run it like a business. You want business results? You need to run it like a business. And if you don't know how to do that, connect yourself to somebody that will help you learn how to run it like a business. Amen? All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. I will see you tomorrow on my webinar at 7 p.m. Eastern, December 15, 2021. And guys, have a super amazing day on purpose.